Hi everybody, I'm Miss Karen, your English teacher, and today we're going to learn some grammar. We're going to learn the simple past affirmative. Affirmative means the opposite of negative, so it means like positive, like these are things you did. Let's first look at the bottom of the screen here. You can see we have the verb to go, that's the base form, and we have to play, also the base form, to walk, to eat, and to glug, 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 to drink. We have to take these verbs and we have to put them in these spots here. Tuk, 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 tuk. Let's look. Yesterday I blank to school, and we're going to use the verb in this case to go. So to go becomes I, starts with a W. And it is I went. I went to school. I went to school is here to go, so I'm going to put a little check mark because I used that one already. Now we have 4 left. Let's keep looking. Here we have at recess, I with my friends. What do we do with our friends at recess? Do we eat them? Do we drink them? Do we play with them? Yes, we play with our friends at recess. So, to play becomes I played. P-L-A-Y-E-D. Now remember that regular verbs end in ed and irregular verbs don't. It's just one of those rules you have to remember. There's a song actually. It goes like this. Regular simple past verbs end in ed. Irregular simple past verbs don't. Regular simple past verbs end in ed. Irregular simple past verbs don't. Remember that song and you'll always know. Let's look at number 3. At 11:40, my lunch. What do you do with your lunch? Let's look at the choices. We have here, I have to check this one off. The only 3 left are to walk, to eat, and to drink. I think that we eat our lunch, right? So that becomes I ate. In the past tense, it becomes I ate. At 11:40, I ate my lunch. Number 4, after lunch, I water from the fountain. Glug, glug, glug. What is it? To drink becomes, to drink over here becomes, I drank. D-R-A-N-K. To drink, it becomes I drank. After lunch, I drank water from the fountain. Let's tick it off. Oh, I did already. Great. Number 5. At 3:05, I to the bus. Well, when the bell rings, you feel like running to the bus, but you're not allowed. You're only allowed to, that's right, to walk. And to walk becomes I walked. W-A-L-K-E-D. I walked to the bus. So, students, these are examples. 5 examples of verbs we use a lot in English. Now, I want you to remember them, work on them, practice them, because you're going to be doing an oral in front of the class. Sometimes I'm just going to say, hey you, tell me a little bit about what you did last night. And you should be ready to stand up and say, yesterday and you should be able to tell me some things you did. Maybe you played hockey, maybe you ate pizza, whatever. You should be able to reuse these words. That's called to reinvest. Remember, when you're writing sentences, you have to remember 2 things, especially that kids often forget. Let's look at what it is. You have here a capital letter, capital letter, capital letter, capital letter, capital letter. Wow, there's a lot of A's in a row there. And at the end you have a period, 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 period. Capital letter at the beginning and a period at the end. A capital letter at the beginning and a period at the end. Okay? Don't forget. These are really important things because if you forget, you lose marks when you don't really need to, because it's really not that hard to remember. Okay? Okay. Thank you very much for watching, and I guess I will see you in class. Bye-bye for now.